by the way, if my kidney falls out during this song, it's because you guys wanted it.
We filmed this, folks!
Great. If this lady offered to put it back in.
She'll make it happen!
Good hands right here. Are we doing this?
Yes, you are.
Alright, wait, hold on. Are we doing this?
Yeah!
Fucking Bobby the fucking Ibiza!
Tell me, I don't
What's the name of the band?
Bobby fucking Ibiza!
I don't know why we're doing this, but we're gonna do this Deftone song.
Do it!
Do it
As soon as this
now.
guitar is tuned.
Hey, because they went platinum off of it, so why not, right?
Yeah, we could go like aluminum off of playing their songs, right?
Straight 107. Aluminum, son! Get with the fucking times!
Aluminum. Aluminum.
Aluminum naughty. Aluminum naughty. Aluminum naughty. So, are we having like a band meeting right now? You guys want like some behind the music shit? Hold on.
We're invited to the band meeting.
Bullshit. The people want it. Play the music for the people.
Do